Do you know that? Wire preparation costs your employees a lot of time because information is missing, tools have to be operated manually, or the wire identification is not clear. Then you know how quickly mistakes can occur and how laborious the rework can be. I am Timo. Today I'll show you the clipx Wire Assist software, our digital worker assistance for efficient and error-free wire preparation in control cabinet building. The clipx Wire Assist software supports your employees in every step of wire preparation, from cutting to crimping to marking. The software displays all relevant information visually on the monitor and controls the connected automatic tools and printing systems. Using an Excel export in a predefined template, you can quickly and easily import the data from your ECAD system and then load this file into our software. Alternatively, a wire list can be created manually, for example, for serial orders. The software shows the operator exactly which wires need to be prepared next, including cross-section, color, length, source, and target. The visual display reduces search times and errors, making operation especially easy, even for new employees. The software controls connected automatic tools machines such as our cutting and stripping devices or printing systems like the Thermomarky series directly, no detours needed. An integrated progress indicator with a processed button ensures that you always know where you stand even after a break. The software is intuitive to use. It supports various usage modes and ensures consistently high quality, regardless of employees' experience levels. Want more efficiency? Together, we tailor the software to your requirements for maximum productivity in control cabinet building. Because as your digitalization partner, we perfectly combine technology and practical experience.